Today we are going to do science with balloons. So we have different balloons here. This one floats and this one doesn't.
The reason this balloon does not float because this one has air inside it that comes from our body. Watch. It has air from inside. This balloon has helium inside. Helium is what makes it float in the air. This one does not float. So, we're going to talk about helium inside this balloon. Helium is a type of gas. It's used to fill balloons to make them float in the air. A gas is an air-like fluid that fills up any space. You cannot see gas. You cannot touch gas, and you cannot hear gas. It's invisible. Helium is on the periodic table. This is a science tool. Helium is way up here at the top. If we look closer at helium, it looks like this. It has an H and an E. That's the symbol for helium. If we wanted to lift a kid in the air, it would take 6,000 balloons. 6,000 balloons to lift one kid in the air with the helium balloons. Helium is also used in other things that we see. Hot air balloons, blimps. Helium is inside a telescope. It's used to go scuba diving. Helium is inside rockets. And helium is also inside the red light that scans the barcode like at the grocery store. That's other things that helium is used for. So now we are going to use our helium balloon for an experiment. We are going to see what will float. Will it float? These are our sight words, Campbell kids. Yes and no. We're going to mark on our chart, yes or no, if it will float with the balloon. We have paper. We have a Lego. We have a tissue, a pencil, and a coffee filter. All right, Miss Janice, are you ready?
We are ready. The first thing we're going to test is a piece of paper. So I'm going to tape it on here. And then, do you guys think the paper is going to float or sink? Let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look at the paper go, guys. The paper went up in the air. So did it float? Yes. So I'm going to mark right here on our chart, yes, the paper did float. What's next, Miss Janice?
We are going to test out the Lego. Do you guys think the Lego is going to float with the balloon or drop it down? What do you guys think? Let's test it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness, the Lego did not float. So we are going to mark no. We got Lego. No, it did not float. All right, Miss Janice, what's next?
The next one is a tissue, a clean tissue. I'm going to tape it on there, and then we're going to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness, the tissue floated.
It floated.
Right here, we're going to mark tissue and yes. I'm going to put an X for yes. What's next, Miss Janice?
We are going to test out the pencil. The pencil. Do you guys think the pencil will float? Let's check it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, the pencil did not
Did
flow.
not.
I'm going to mark pencil and no. The pencil did not float. And last we have Miss Janice.
The coffee filter. Do you guys think the coffee filter will float? What do you think? Let's test it out. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness.
The coffee filter floated.
So I'm going to mark yes for coffee filter with an X. So if you look here, we can see what did float. We have the paper was yes, the tissue was yes, and the coffee filter were yes.
On this column, we can see what did not float. What was too heavy was the Lego and the pencil. They were too heavy, so they went down.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed our lesson about balloons. And the gas inside the balloons that float is called helium.
Helium.
Say it with us. Helium.